be sure to go over chest and hips front to back. Links in the description below. Let's go and walk on the chest and hips. Opening out and in. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Going in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Going out. Chest is out, hips to the back. Yes, feel the stretch. Going in. 1, 2. Use your abs and hips to front. Let's go. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In. 1, 2. Let's go faster. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3. In. 5, 6, 7. Out. 1, 2, 3. In. 5, 6, 7. Out. 1. And in. And let's do slow again. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In. 1, 2. Use your abs and tuck your hips. Yes, going out. 1, 3. Feel the stretch in the chest. Yes. And going in. 1, 3, 5, 7. Going out. 1, 3, 5, 7. And in. And let's get ready to do it faster. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go. Out. 2, 3. And in. 2, 3. And out. 2, 3. And in. 2, 3. Last time. Out. And in. We practice and make progress, so smile. And let's move on. We'll prep a little bit in and then out. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Prep out. 2, 3. Prep out. Yeah, stretch it. Prep out. Yeah, last time. Prep out. Yes. Prep out, and let's do it faster. Go. Out and out. Yes, out. Out again. Out and out and out and out. Last time. Out and out and out and out. Yes, shake it off. Don't forget to smile. Yeah, and let's move on. Now we'll prep going out and then in. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And in. 2, 3. And in. Use your abs again. And in. But not use the shoulders. And in. Use the chest. And in. And let's do it faster. And in. And in. Yeah. Boom. Boom. Go in. And in. And in. And in. And last time. 1, 3, 5, 7. Yes, doing great. Repetition is the mother of skill, so let's do it again. But now we'll go out, neutral, and in. Let's do it together. Let's go. Out, 2, 3, neutral, in. 2, 3, neutral. Out, neutral, in. Neutral, out, neutral, in. Now let's do it faster. Neutral, out, neutral, in. And out and in and out and in and out and in. Last time. 1, 3, 5 and slow again. 1. Neutral in. Neutral out. Neutral in. Again. Neutral out. Neutral in. Let's do it faster. Neutral out, neutral in, neutral out and in and out and in. Yeah, out, in, out, in and out and in. Yes, well done. Thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation and space. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, don't practice until you get it right. Practice until you cannot get it wrong. So keep practicing and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day. Once you master this movement, you can play with speeds, slow and fast, and slow and fast.